Let me show you a few different things that you can do if the battery is draining way too fast on your Samsung S26 or S26 Ultra. So first, if you go in your settings, go to your display settings, I suggest to actually enable the dark theme. For example, check this, so you see how much light this screen actually emits here. But if I, for example, switch to the dark mode, I see there's almost like no light that is actually wasted. So basically, once you actually enable the dark mode, all these black areas aren't consuming any energy whatsoever. But for example, for the light mode, so you see what kind of difference, basically how much light is shining from it. Also, in the same display settings, you might also disable this extra brightness feature. So again, the same thing. So the brighter your screen is, the more battery drain it's obviously going to use. And also you can, for example, play around with the adaptive brightness if you want to, or also you can even dim the screen lower as well if needed. So again, probably the screen is the biggest battery drain here. Also, for example, if you are interested, you can also, for example, even disable the absolutely awesome 120 Hz display of this phone. So your display obviously won't be as smooth, but also it will save a bit more battery life. So, but personally, I have paid a lot of money for this phone. I'm going to use it, so I'll let it live with that one. Also, in the screen timeout, also make sure to go over here and adjust to the lowest possible value that is good for you. So again, the longer your screen stays on, when you are not using, obviously it's going to drain more battery. Next, what I suggest to do is go in your device care settings, and you see you have button here to optimize now. So it's going to do a deep cleaning, close all the background junk, and again, it will not only improve your performance of your phone, but also, it will also help the battery as well. Also, make sure over here you have plenty of storage available. For example, if you have maybe less than 10 GB, this phone will start to struggle because it won't be able to do basic features anymore of the phone. And again, that will also cause a hit on the battery as well. Also, for example, in the performance profile, as you see, you can actually set basically standard and light profile. By default, it's actually standard. But for example, if you do not need the highest possible performance from this phone, I suggest to actually enable the light mode, as it's going to also limit your CPU a bit, and that in turn also will increase your battery life significantly as well. And next, what you can do is also remove some cheeky settings that are actually draining your battery in the background for no reason whatsoever. So simply first go in your location tabs, click location services, and make sure to disable these Wi-Fi scanning and also Bluetooth scanning. And also go into the Google services here, all services, and devices. And you can also disable this nearby device scanning. Again, drains quite a lot of battery constantly for no reason whatsoever really. Also, another thing that actually drains quite a lot of battery is your mobile network as well, especially if you live in an area where you do not have the best 5G coverage. So, for example, we can also go in the settings, connections, mobile networks, and you see in the network mode. So again, if you do not have the best 5G coverage in your area, I actually suggest to use a 4G, as it's more reliable and also it drains way less battery as well. And finally, also on your phone, I suggest to go over some settings that are enabled that you actually do not need. For example, if you aren't currently connected to any Bluetooth device, if you do not need it, make sure to turn it off. So why would you actually leave it on? It's going to drain simply extra battery if you aren't using. Also, for example, if you are currently connected to the mobile data, make sure to turn off your Wi-Fi. But if you're connected to your Wi-Fi, you can also turn off your mobile data. So, And finally, also, I suggest to even restart your phone from time to time. So, if you restart it, basically, it's going to clear all the background junk, all the cache. It's going to wipe the memory with it. And also, basically, once it actually boots up the next time, it's going to be the fastest and best that it can be. when it comes to the performance and also power efficiency. By the way, also if you go in the settings and device care, you can also enable this automatic restart as well. So over here in the auto optimization, if you go over here, I see you can also enable this auto restarting feature, where the phone itself will restart automatically when you are not using it, most likely at night when it realizes, again, you're maybe sleeping, so it's going to do this automatic restart. Again, it helps a lot as well. And also lastly, if you go in your battery settings, you can even kind of like understand what is actually causing your drain. So if you click here on the view details, you can kind of understand which apps are the biggest battery drainers. And maybe if there's some app that actually drains a lot of battery, but you aren't using it, simply inspect, maybe is there something wrong with the app, maybe it's actually is infected with some viruses or whatever, and maybe uninstall that app or reinstall it from fresh. So again, simply observe what is causing the biggest drain and see if that actually responds to your actual usage. Let's see. Also, we can set these different background usage limits here as well if needed, and bunch more things. And lastly as well, you have a power saving modes as well on this phone that you can quickly enable. So let's add one, add control, and where do we have one? Okay, so you see power saving mode here, so add it. Done. Also, if you click and hold on it, you can go to the settings. Okay, and also if you click here, you can even like customize what things are going to be done for these power saving modes. And also you have extreme battery saver mode as well that you can enable, but it's going to limit basically features even more. But yeah, if you are in a pickle, as you see, you can essentially expand your battery life, for example, 2 times in my case here. Okay, good luck.